Hey there, welcome to our new video. Today I'll guide you through adding a countdown clock in ActiveCampaign. You can find the links to Deadline Funnel and ActiveCampaign in the description below. First, head to the Deadline Funnel website. In the My Campaigns page under Digital Mastery, click on Click Craft. In the side panel, click on Emails. Now copy the HTML code provided. Next, go to your ActiveCampaign dashboard. In the side panel, select Campaigns and click on Create your first campaign. Choose a campaign type and click on Next. Then, click on Create with Email Designer. Select a template and choose a part in the email where you want to add your countdown clock. In the side panel under Content, click on Blocks and select HTML. Drag and drop it to your preferred part. Now, paste your copied HTML code into the text box and click Enter. Your countdown clock will be added. You can click on the preview option to preview your email with the countdown clock. Don't forget, you can find the links to Deadline Funnel and ActiveCampaign in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.